What's up, everyone? Luckside here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I want to talk to you about an article I found, and it's about the market. Okay. Bitcoin price sheds $1,000 in 3 minutes, guys, as the US CPI data inflation overshoots. Okay, so basically the government predicted that inflation data was going to come back better than we ended up getting, and the market has reacted because of that. Now, before we go ahead and get into this, please, if you haven't already, take the time to subscribe to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the bell. Then that way you'll get notified anytime content goes live, and there's tons of it, guys. Tons of great information for you. Now, let's dive into this a little bit further. So $1,000 in 3 minutes is more than a knee-jerk reaction. Okay, it's a complete panic. Everybody saw that report, and they're like, "Nope, want no part. I'm out." Okay. Now, I want to show you guys a little bit of the numbers because I think it's important to show that this may have been a little bit oversold. Okay, I think everybody, even myself. Okay. I was expecting the CPI data to come back fine. So even on my personal channel, I wasn't really talking about it much. I was, got kind of complacent with it. Didn't really think much was going to really come from it. And then obviously got a little bit surprised. Now, that being said, if we take a look at the data here, we can see that, actually you probably can't see that. So I'll zoom in a little bit here. Okay. So the 12-month rolling period, okay, it came back at 8.3% inflation for the 12-month period. Okay. Now, what was expected was actually 8.1%. So we really didn't miss by that much. Now, being that it did miss, that's where, the market's kind of reacted negatively, obviously. Now, that being said, this 8.3% rolling 12-month inflation that we had is actually the lowest we've had since April of earlier this year. If you're familiar with April, and you can obviously see on the chart, that was, a time when we were still hitting, big numbers or just coming off of big numbers as far as inflation actually goes. If we look at the most recent month, we can see that energy has come down. Fuel oil has come down. Basically, everything's kind of coming down a little bit. Overall, even though last month in July, we had a flat inflation month of 0.0%. Last month, we did have a 0.1%, which is to be expected a little bit. I mean, obviously, you're going to see more accumulation of fuel and stuff like that as we start to move into winter, stuff like that. That kind of typically affects that. But that being said, I think the market, may, and this is just obviously my opinion. Okay. I think the market is going to respond a little bit better in the coming days. And obviously, by the time this video comes up, we may be able to check and see if I was right. But I think the market just reacted a little too negatively to this news coming out. Obviously there is some other good stuff that's coming this month. So there's a good chance for a rebound. So this may not play out exactly just based on, this being oversold at the current point in time. But it's almost like when you have a stock that comes, or a company that comes to report their quarterly earnings, right? And, they're expecting, they're going to earn like $5 a share. Okay. And instead it comes back and they only earned $4.80 a share. Oh, better sell, right? Everybody freaks out because they missed, but $4.80 a share still isn't bad. Okay. So it just goes to show you that over this 12-month period, obviously the inflation numbers are coming down. It's obviously taking a little bit of a while. It'll be interesting to see obviously what happens here with the FOMC meeting that is coming up. So we'll find out how much they're going to raise interest rates. Hopefully good news there. Obviously, we'll still have to wait and see what happens, but at least wanted to bring this to you guys, kind of show you how the market has obviously reacted on this data today. As you all can tell, if you haven't followed the markets, yeah, they reacted how they did, down about 6% on the day. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video, taking time out of your day. We really appreciate it here at the ClearCryptos channel. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you get notified anytime we have content that goes live, and we got a lot of it, guys. Again, you got videos, shorts, streams, tons of stuff coming your way. As always, we appreciate you guys being here, and we really hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys.